interview with Sarah Connell, I was asked, what are the 5 things I wish I had been told before I started on my career path? The first one is I went from being an employee to being self-employed. So I wish somebody had told me to get bank loans, increase my line of credit, and increase my credit card limit. Because when you're employed, banks are willing to do that for you. But once you tell them that you're self-employed and you have no income, it's much harder to get those loans to start your new business. The second thing I wish somebody had told me is that there are government programs out there for when you're starting a business. And the funding that they give you is almost equivalent to a year of salary. So you're being paid to start your business. Unfortunately, once you have one paying client, you no longer are eligible for those programs. Fear can be a big stumbling block. You can worry about, what will people think of me starting this venture? Will I be good enough? And the important thing that I wish somebody had told me is that you're not alone. A lot of people feel that way. And all you have to do is ask for help. And a lot of people are willing to help you because they remember those feelings of fear when you're starting your own business. So I tell people, even if you're falling on your face, you're still moving forward. Number 4 is a very practical thing that I wish somebody had told me. When you're doing your branding and getting your logo designed, make sure you get your logo in every possible format. Color, black and white, a larger version, a smaller version, get them in a GIF, a JPEG, a vector format, because you're going to want that logo on business cards, clothing, banners, print material. Sometimes you'll need it in black and white. Sometimes you'll need it with a transparent background. So get all of those formats from the original graphic designer and pay once. It'll save you money over the long run. And the last thing is to enjoy starting your business. Enjoy the fun, the learning, and the growth experience that you will get from serving people and helping them to have a beneficial new outlook on life. You never know where this ride is going to take you. The ending can be very unexpected from where you start. So thanks so much, Sarah, for asking me to talk about what are the 5 things I wish I had been told before I started my career.